Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Vijayalakshmi Babukumar,
author of.
Alexia in 10th Mile.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
So amazing. Like I've seen lots of book fairs, but this is the first time I'm coming for a world book fair, and like it's like goosebumps.
Have
Seeing
you
so
been here
many.
before as a reader?
Yeah, I've come as a reader, but not to World Book Fair because I'm traveling from Coimbatore to this
Right.
place for this purpose.
Right.
So I have gone to Chennai and all, but this is the first time as a World Book Fair.
And you're here as an author, which is
Yeah.
not something most people get to experience, right?
It's so nice that my first time in book fair itself with my book is
That's wonderful.
so pleasing, and gratitude to universe and my buddies.
Ma'am, can you tell us a little bit more about your book and who it's for?
So this book is for the youngsters, children, and middle-aged people. It's not specific to a person. This book speaks about why this we need to preserve this earth.
Right.
If we don't preserve it, our future generation will not have the facilities what at least we have today.
Right.
At least in last few years, I have experienced so many changes has happened. We were actually speaking how it was when we were kids,
Right.
and today we don't see all that things. So if this continues, how this world will be, how this
Right.
earth will be. So to give a awareness on this, I have written this story. It's purely a fictional book.
Right. So for our community of budding writers and authors, what is one piece of advice you want to give them?
So if you have some creativity or some story, put up in, discuss with your people around. You'll get some ideas. And one more important thing is, sometimes ideas will sleep within us. With me,
Right.
last 40 years, I've slept so many ideas within me. This is the first time I got my courage to come up and throw my ideas into a
Right.
book. So I see that books are very important part of every human.
Right.
And we learn lots of things from books. It's fictional or non-fictional. But you learn lots of things from books, and
Right.
people should read, write, put up their ideas in the paper so that others also get benefited.
Right. So the key is to read a lot of books and surround yourself with people who make you realize your potential. Right. Thank you so much for sharing this with us.
Thank you.
I hope
Thanks
you
a
have a
lot.
wonderful book fair. Congratulations on your book, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks
Thank
a
you so
lot.
much.
Thanks a lot.